Hello children, I am Shruti. Here I am again to teach you maths. This is third video for the same chapter, chapter number 1, numbers. And today we are going to learn about place value and face value. So children, let's begin. What is place value? Place value is the value of the digit according to its position in the number, such as ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. प्लेस वैल्यू नंबर में जो डिजिट्स होती है उनकी जो प्लेस होती है, जो पोजीशन होती है, उससे हम प्लेस वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करते हैं. एंड face value of a digit in the number is same as the digit itself. face value जो digit की value होती है वही उसकी face value होती है. So now let's take an example. Let's understand place value with the help of an example. I have written this number here 6 4 5 6 9 2 1 3. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is 8 digit number. I have taught you 6 digit number, 7 digit number, 8 digit and 9 digit number I have taught you. So let's revise. Ones means 1 digit number, tens means 10 digit number, 100 means 3 digit number, 1000 means 4 digit number, 10,000 means 5 digit number, lakh means 6 digit number, 10 lakh means 7 digit number, and crore means 8 digit number. Okay, so now rewrite this number in place value chart to find out its place value. 8 digit number, so we need the places up to crore. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So now let's place each digit in its respective column. So there, first of all insert the commas. First after 3 digits, then after 2 digits. Ones, tens, 100, we will put here 3 1 2. Always insert comma from right side and always insert number digits in place value chart from right side. 9 6 9 6 5 4 5 4 and 6. So now let's read it. 6 crore 45 lakh 69,213. अगर हम बात करें इनकी पीरियड्स की तो ये आता है हमारा वंस पीरियड में 1000 10,000 थाउजेंड्स पीरियड में आता है, लाख 10 लाख लैक्स पीरियड में, एंड जो करोड़ है वो आएगा हमारा करोड़ पीरियड. So 6 crore 45 lakh 69,213. Now to find out place value of each digit, we have 3 in ones column, so 3 into 1, that is 3. The place value of 3 in this number is 3. 1 in tens column, so 1 into 10. टेंस है तो इसकी 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So 1 into 10 10. 2 100 column में है, so 2 multiply 100, that is 200. So the place value of 2 in this number is 200. 9 here in thousand period, place, so 9 into 1000, 9,000. The place value of digit 9 in this number is 9,000. 6 in place of 10,000, so 6 into 10,000, 60,000. Place value of digit 6 in this number is 60,000. 5 in lakh column, so 5 into 1 lakh, 1 2 3 4 5. So this is 5 lakh. So we can say that place value of 5 in this number is 5 lakh. 4 in 10 lakh column. So 4 multiply 10 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 40 lakh. 1, 2, 1 tens, 100,000, 10,000 lakh, 10 lakh, 40 lakh. We will put comma like this. Now place value of 6. 6 multiply 1 crore. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 crore means 70. 1 tens, 100,000, 10,000 lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So this is 6 crore. Here we can say that place value of 6 in this number is 6 crore. Place value of 4 is 40 lakh. Place value of 5 is 5 lakh. Place value of 6 is 60,000. Place value of 9 is 9,000. Place value of 2 is 200. Place value of 1 is 10. Place value of 3 is 3 in this number. Now let's understand face value. As I have explained you, face value of a digit in a number is same as the digit itself. So let's take an example to clear the concept of face value. Example 2569241. Now you have to find out the face value of each digit in this number. As you know, 1 in ones place, 4 in tens place, 2 in hundred place, 9 in thousand place, 6 in 10,000 place, 5 in lakh place, and 2 in 10 lakh place. But face value of a digit in the number is same as the digit itself, irrespective where it comes in place value chart. So face value of 1, face value of 1 is 1, face value of 4 is 4, face value of 2 is 2, face value of 9 is 9, face value of 6 is 6, face value of 5 is 5, face value of 2 is 2. No matter where it comes in our place value chart, face value, it means value of the digit. Means 1. What is the value of 1? It's 1. So its face value is also 1. 2. What is the value of 2? It's 2. So face value of 2 is 2. Now I am going to explain you about expanded form. To write a number in its expanded form, we express the number as the sum of its place value of its digit. You have learnt now how to find out the place value. So let's take an example to find out the expanded form of a number. Let's take an example to clear the concept of expanded form. How will you find out the expanded form of a number, of a given number? First of all, you will place the given number in a place value chart like this. What is expanded form? It is a sum of place values of all digits in a number. Sum of all place values. So first of all, we have to find out the place value of each digit in a number. Here I have made place value chart. 7 in ones place, 1 in 10 place, 3 in 100 place, 9 in thousands place, 4 in 10,000s place, 5 in lakh place, 6 in 10 lakhs place, and 2 in crores place. So what is the place value of 7? 7 in ones place, so 7 into 1, that is 7. What is the place value of 1? 1 in tens place, so 1 into 10, that is 10. 3 in 100 place, so 3 multiplied by 100, it's 100. This is 100. 9 in 1000 place, so 9 into 1000, 9,000. 4 in 10,000 place, so 4 into 10,000, 40,000. 5 in lakh place, so 5 multiplied by 1 lakh, 5 lakh. 6 in 10 lakh place, so 6 into 10 lakh, 60 lakh. Two in crore period, so 2 into 1 crore. 6770. It is 2 crore. These are the place value of each digit in this number. Now how to find out the expanded form? It is a sum of all the place values of a number. First of all, 2 crore plus 60 lakh plus 5 lakh plus 40,000 plus 9,000 plus 300 plus 10 plus 7.
So this is the expanded form of a number. Thank you, children.